Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some beautiful, very colorful dyed boho tassels using dollar store twine. And we're dyeing them with Derwent Inktense Blocks, which can be used as a dye when you mix them with water. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some dyed boho tassels.
The invention of twine is as important as the development of stone tools for early humans, and because some ancient beads date back to 60,000 years, it's thought that twine dates back at least that far as well. The great thing about Inktense blocks is they can be used like a watercolor, a pastel, or a dye like I'm doing here. Pop on some latex gloves since these dyes are permanent and they will stain your fingers. Textile dyeing dates back to the Neolithic period, about 12,000 years ago, but dyed flax fibers have been found in the Republic of Georgia that are nearly 36,000 years old. You can tie these tassels on your keys, hang them on a doorknob or from a light pole, or stitch them on the corners of a colorful pillow.
I'm going to leave a link to Derwent and everything I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them. I'm going to leave a link to those below as well too, and I will see you next week. Bye.